July 2025. The dawn of the world's most ambitious engineering marvel begins. Deep in the Himalayas, a 1.2 trillion yuan vision takes shape. 60 gigawatts of raw power, 3 times the might of the Three Gorges. But first, they must conquer the unforgiving terrain.
PowerChina leads the charge into the seismic unknown.
We must reinforce this area.
And the timelines for the drilling.
July 2025. The dawn of the world's most ambitious engineering marvel begins. Before the dam can rise, roads must be carved from solid rock. Explosives shatter the silence of the valley. Thousands of tons of debris are cleared to make way for the heavy machinery. Logistics at this altitude demand perfection. Base camps are established to house the army of builders. The Yarlung Tsangpo River is untamed, violently carving through the gorge. To build the dam, the river must first be moved. Tunnel boring machines, the mechanical beasts, are assembled on site. These machines will chew through kilometers of solid mountain. Day and night, the subterranean excavation continues. Seismic activity threatens every inch of progress. Massive steel rock bolts are driven into the cavern walls to prevent collapse. Breakthrough. The first diversion tunnel is complete. Now, the cofferdams must be built to block the natural river flow. Earth-roken choke the mighty river, forcing it into the tunnels. With the riverbed exposed, the true scale of the task is revealed. Excavation of the main dam foundation begins. Every loose rock must be removed to reach solid, unyielding stone. In this fragile ecosystem, precision is just as vital as power. Deep foundation drilling anchors the dam to the Earth's crust. Concrete is pumped deep underground to stabilize the fault lines. The footprint of the massive structure is finally mapped out. Millions of tons of steel rebar arrive at the site. The skeletal structure of the dam begins to rise. Sparks rain down in the high-altitude night. This is a 5-cascade system, 5 massive dams working in unison. Concrete production plants are built directly on the cliff edges. The first major concrete pour commence. It is a continuous, non-stop operation. The heat generated by curing concrete could crack the dam. River water is pumped through the pipes to keep the core temperature stable. Block by block, Layer by layer, the concrete monolith grows. Tower cranes dot the skyline, orchestrating the heavy lifting. Weather at the Great Bend is unpredictable and violent. But the work never stops. Deep inside the mountain, the heart of the station is hollowed out. The underground powerhouse will house the massive generators. 60 gigawatts of electricity will be born in the dark. Precision engineering is required to line the cavern walls. Each segment weighs hundreds of tons. The penstocks, giant steel pipes that will feed water to the turbines, are assembled.
Alignment must be flawless. A single millimeter off could mean catastrophe.
The steel arteries of the dam are locked into place. Outside, the main dam wall breaches the halfway mark. The spillway crests are formed, designed to handle immense floodwaters. Winter arrives, bringing freezing temperatures and snow. Thermal blankets are deployed to protect the fresh concrete. The logistics chain fights the ice to keep materials flowing. A testament to human endurance. Spring thaws the ice, and the pace accelerates. It is time for the mechanical heart of Medog to arrive. The turbine runners are marvels of modern engineering. Lowering the runner into the underground powerhouse is a delicate operation. Clearances are measured in millimeters. Next, the massive stator is assembled around the turbine. The rotor, the spinning electromagnet, is lowered into place. Next, the massive stator is assembled around the turbine. Across the Cascades, this process is repeated dozens of times. 2,000 meters above sea level, the concrete giant stands ready. The massive steel radial gates are installed on the spillways. Welders secure the giant hydraulic arms that will control the flow. The energy must be transported thousands of kilometers to the east. Helicopters are used to string the heavy conductive cables across the deep gorges. Linemen secure the high-voltage lines at dizzying heights. The massive switchyards are constructed to regulate the 60 gigawatts. Miles of copper wiring are laid by hand in the control centers. The digital brain of the hydropower station is brought online. The infrastructure is complete. Now, they must wait for the water. Day by day, the reservoir begins to fill. villages were relocated, making way for the rising tide. Engineers monitor the dam wall for any signs of microfractures under the immense pressure. Millions of gallons of water plunge down the penstocks. Sensors embedded in the concrete feeder data to the control room. The intake gates are raised. The pressure builds as it hits the turbine blades. The first turbine begins to spin. Mechanical energy is converted into electrical power. The control room dials in the frequency. Synchronization complete. Clean, renewable energy flows into the national grid. To manage the overflow, the spillway gates are opened. A permanent rainbow hangs over the gorge. Cascade 2 comes online.
The water skis launch into the air to dissipate its destructive energy.
Cascade 3, 4, and 5 follow. A 2,000-meter drop, fully harnessed. Decades of planning, realized in concrete and steel. Geopolitical tensions remain as downstream nations watch closely. But the engineering reality is undeniable. The Medog Hydropower Station. Routine maintenance begins immediately to ensure absolute safety. The largest power station ever constructed could Niend. Automated drones scan the vast concrete face for any microscopic anomalies. Monitoring the seismic sensors is a 24/7 operation. Deep in the galleries, physical inspections are relentless. The massive switchyard hums with unimaginable voltage. The project brings new infrastructure to the remote Medog County. New bridges span the gorges, connecting isolated regions. The economic landscape of the Tibet Autonomous Region is forever altered. 300 billion kilowatt-hours generated annually, fueling the massive industrial hubs of the Greater Pi. The environmental T is carefully monitored. The sheer scale of the earthworks is unmatched in human history. A delicate balance of human progress and natural preservation. Fish ladders and bypass systems attempt to preserve the ecosystem. A cornerstone of the carbon neutrality goal for 2060. Medog stands as a monument to modern construction. An engineering triumph, achieved through sheer willpower. A project at the limits of what is possible. The raw energy of the Earth Eye. The Medog Hydropower Station. Powering Chloretes.